Hello, good day everyone. Thomas here today. Today we do this unboxing video for this Doulton DIS model under sink system. So this is a new packaging. You can see this made in Britain logo, and this is address and manufacturer and the certificate of the product. Our box is a recycle and gold green product. This is the model DIS M12 series. Okay, so let me see what is inside. So we have this very arrogant box. When you open it, you can see a very classy look of the packaging, and you can see this is the under sink system body. Okay, so this is the body, and inside got this user menu, clip, and a scotch bag. So that's it. Okay, so what is inside this filter system? Let me take out and let you have a look. Okay, from here you can see this is a very classy and arrogant look of this Doulton water purifier under sink system. And this is a new system, new label. Old version we have the logo stacked together. So it's a put fit design. You can see the arrow pointing. Blue color is an inlet, 4 directions, and this is a gray color for outlet. So you can see very easy to open, and we have this biotect ultra filter inside. This is a 4-layer filtration and NSF certified drinking water purifier. You no need to cook the water, you can straight away drink for this drinking water system. Okay, good luck. Thank you.